because it's real nice. Sometimes I don't use the vibration because it makes everything hurt more. You know, as you can get the picture, my day's largely controlled of pain. See, like if I had it my way, I'd come in here and I'd stand while I freestyle. Because standing, no doubt, gives you a performance and a half. 3, 4 was the last time I used. And now I just smoke weed. You know, I got too many problems to be thinking about, hey, let's mess up my life more. You know, those days are over. I had fun chilling with the people I knew back then. They weren't good people. They were bad influences all the way around. And because I had a business and had money, the drugs came easy. So I did a lot. But we're talking about my day here. So my day is I fall asleep when I fall asleep. Issues next. Ain't all fun like it's supposed to be. We're up here rambling our ass off like some crack addict because we can't stop doing what we're good at the moment. And, you know, right now we're talking motor mouth, but then you add music and I can program myself to be a talking freestyler. And just like these bright deal about it in the parking lot, keep on walking like a G. Keep on walking like no one saw you take that poop down your leg. You keep on walking to your car like no one noticed, because it's all about looking cool to the people we never met in our life or even know what they look like. It's all about that. So when you sit in your poopy pants in the car, you gotta go home, switch threads, make that future sales, and go out your day. I mean, for some people, it's that. Mine is a back problem. I ain't got uncontrollable diarrhea issues. I just got uncontrollable diarrhea of the mouth. I do not believe it's the same thing. But we use our diarrhea. We sculpt it. Because I know, and I believe, that these shows are usually an act. You know, it's not a place for me to confess. It's not a place for you to get information about me. Now's not the time for that. You know, now's more of, you gotta let the insecurities go. That's the hardest part of the whole. I will not take 3 of those before I go to church. I will not take 3 of those before I go to a family holiday event. That would be a bad choice. I would take 3 of those when we're in the studio, because damn, look at that, yo. Something happened there. That goes on our list of maybe we need to try this again to make sure it's really the properties. 300 milligrams. Because what happened here? Where you're like, why can't you do it? Files are so huge. They're like 3 times without this, man. YouTube video. So, I mean, good or bad is not the question here. It's like, look what this. Look how it enhanced. Look at this beautiful transformation. I'm not scared of you. I'm not afraid. You don't look like you need medical attention, or do you sound like it making sense? Let me put this back down. It was working so good until I touched it. Oh man, will this day ever go right? But welcome, we got some chocolate cake. I really need to take a break because my back is... We're in guitar and bass section. We got drum sets now. Percussion. So that was a song I used to listen to all the time, man.
Coffee, making own bases. Nah, stop. Why you being dramatic? Stop it, professional. Start stroke wood. A stroke it in bar. A stroke it got a night bar. 20 weeks silver and take it up your ear. Damn, baby, you're number one in my book. Now ain't that something? Admit a dude like me comes on. Make it rain, plenty of money. Friends in a unlimited credit card. You know what other loser do? You know who got this? Now I'm a winner now in her head. So it's like say down the bar, dog shit too. Got about a frame, got a collar, got my dick up her rear end and boots, stilettos, and kick my nutsack. Screaming like a little bitch while she's laughing off her ass. She's videotaping it, cause it's so funny. Everyone's laughing cause I got my balls struck. Ball stomping, bitch. Better careful before you get your balls stomped by the bitch in charge. Change your ways. Hoe with leather, got whips and chains. She's about to cause excruciating pain. Yeah, let's play a game. Who's her dare? Pop, pop, pow, pow, ball it. Pop, pop, pow, ball it. Yeah, they done this before. Home dungeon, first floor, near the cellar. Crazy. Got mass videotapes. Now homeboy, you sprung on the pussy. You're strung on the snatch. Homie, you can't get the taste out of your mouth. Fish, you wanna tongue fuck it. You wanna do a double barrel. Get your dick so hard and you blow up her butthole, leaking out. You gotta stay true to your woman so you lick your own cum up in one stroke. Get her pregnant, making a deal. A homie from home. How you raise your basketball team, cause you fly, too fly. That's the story, drive whipping crazy. I ain't tell it that often, to be a pro. In bed, in out, you don't know. You ain't had the long D down your throat, or have you? You ain't experienced life, you wish. It's unlimited credit card leaks from the lips. Cause it is with that ball to buy designer purse. She wants Chanel, it costs $6.99. Gonna borrow $50 from her mom after she gets her anal rained out, gaping from the night before. This becomes on the regular. Yeah, she's upstairs, but her cost you $50. Come the horn, block a hole next door, so you start to knot or back and forth. You got your dick strong, thrusting in her pussy hole. She's screaming your name, and that's all you can think about while you be at work, homie. Cause you sprung on the pussy, homie. Sprung on the pussy, homie. Like cake fish, homie, be strong on the asshole, homie, you sprung. Yeah, we can take a mini break, hydrate. I'm gonna turn up this music for you. Actually, no, I'ma play latest freestyles we got till I'm ready to see anything stage. Yeah, mother sucker. Yeah, mother sucker. You're listening to Creative Wid Studios production, online delivery. Yo, I'ma go to General CWSPOD store real quick. Pick me up a Mountain Dew. Yo, I'ma head to CWSPOD Mart. Pick me up.
It's them thug-like niggas that we don't like tricks. Got the punk wannabes and they jockin' like bitches. Now my bitches is getting hoes on its own. Fuck the mystery, do you wanna get with me? Then so I'm panicking and fright. Me and my bitch named Nina. I'm being in the night, ain't nobody living safe. Got a plot and I'm stressed. All I want is my money, motherfucker. Ain't no question, I'm trying to stall. Cause I'm hit, so bring me the scissors and get the clipping at his dick. I'd rather die young and die old than broke. That's why I stay drunk and I constantly smoke. My memories as a youngster, hanging with the homies. But now I'm doing bad and them bitches don't know me. The player haters can't fade me, cause it's a thug like nigga and we're crazy. Tell me, do you see? Tell me, do you see? Life's so hard on a nigga when he living like a G. Tell me, do you see? Life's so hard on a nigga when he living like a G. Tell me, do you see? Life's so hard on a nigga when he living like a G. Tell me, do you see? Life's so hard on a nigga when he living like a G. Tell me, do you see? Life's so hard on a nigga when he living like a G. Tell me, do you see? Life's so hard on a nigga when he living like a G. Tell me, do you see? Life's so hard on a nigga when he living like a G. Tell me, do you see? Hard on a nigga, flipping at his dick. Tell me, do you see? Hard on a nigga, niggas don't know. Hard on a nigga, panicking and frightened.
Your life, as it has been, is over.
I know that all of you will face your destinies with bravery and honor.
Here's what we want everyone to do. Count all the hugs you haven't given. All the...
I've just been busy. I'm a few seasons behind. Sorry. I'm not gonna stop creativity. Small price to pay, you know? But you can still see the live version. But the finished versions are way better. Way better, man. The more I do this, the more I perfect it. So it's pretty awesome. We got a bunch of new beats coming. We work off of seasons, so 10 recordings is a season. And we wait to get all 10 done before we go through it. So now's, I guess, that time. So I guess I'm usually not busy. I guess I am, but I don't know, man. It just comes lifestyle. I live in too many places. I don't judge. These are two wills, not materials. Edition is good. Says the date in my frame. Mailing get well letters to myself again. Heal, child, heal. Even visited. Ward came. I might take a break tomorrow. Yep. Well, sure. Like I just slept 2 days. It felt like I was just here though. I slept for 2 days. That's where I've been sleeping. People thought I was dead. Just tired, I guess. Oh, I'm starting to feel it. Like that hyperventilating feeling. Same time, you're like super high. I think if you go, trying to figure this out, so like a lot, you won't feel it, you know, like you're waiting for it. Oh, it's hitting pretty smooth now. I think I'm just high. It's random. Unless I'm editing, sometimes I just go through. I got ways to keep me occupied. Why be bored? Looks like it ended all the way to the end, and we are not using our normal. Let's go find another track here from this season. Yeah, you know what is going on. Smoking this ball hookah. Like a long time hitting chapters. Preferably 100% profit. Set decks, running rampant. Less than 4K a day easily. Papa dog pills. Blowing through 4K easily. Yeah, what's up, DJ? Kicking it, living the American dream. As I'm going acapella and off the scene. Yo, what's up, DJ? Yeah, bring it back, homie. My flows contain venom, and I'm spitting towards the wall where it's bouncing back, and I feel great. I'ma spit on my money here tonight, give it my all cause I feel lucky. I grew in isolation, but man, I'm incredible. You barely notice. I walk in gold chains, CEOs, gold bricks. Look at my teeth, they're white. Use the code pound FFF. Ain't damaged, never been in pain my entire life. It's like walking in magic. Got reborn. Relationship, motivation. I ain't. We got Casper in the back there. Damn, my girl ordered me, what she ordered me? Like a burger from a taco place. I think we're both high, man. I'll ask her and she'll probably say, yes, I should, because that's just what she does. She's a bad influence, man. To make at least another 100. So, oh wait, let me see what I hung up on her twice. Feel kind of bad. I don't hang up on people. I order you a Del Taco hamburger. I gotta say some healthy comments. Smiley face. Thank you, you're the best. Bite in your ear and moaning towards your lobe, sniffing thy neck as I'm like programmed to be. That's right. We live in a simulation. You know, I think I know what that. I mean, if it's in the air. It's in the air, and we're gonna let that shit fly. Doesn't hurt no one to have one more song about pussy and dick. Doesn't hurt anyone to make one more love song, does it? Doesn't hurt anyone to hear someone else lose their kitchen in the sink. Doesn't hurt anyone to have a corny song. Doesn't hurt anyone, man. Make music about money and balling. Doesn't hurt anyone to praise the Lord. It doesn't hurt anyone to pray. Doesn't hurt you, man. You lose sleep over all my boners I get when looking at my girl. You lose sleep, woman, because I'm married now and you can't get this shit, you know? You thought I was a loser. Damn. My dreams are changing, man. Yo, I'm a legend. I don't know yet. Say it with me. Legend. At that same mall. Like Yo, I don't know if I'm a legend, but I say I'm a legend because I don't know anyone else who does this. I can open up a hardware store, and I know Ace Hardware has it. I could make another song that you make, but here I am making my own shit, and I don't know anyone who does this, let alone a collection of instrumentals, so I don't know who you is trying to open up your trap and ruin this escape. Woo! Damn, yo, that was pure balls. Let's face it, you ain't got balls. Spinal fusion. So basically, the spine was compressed because carried up a TV. It was a big ass TV, too big for that little ass room. It was too hot. So I was more than happy to get out of there. So I picked it up. And, you know, I carried it all the way upstairs. And during this time, I was fit. I was doing sit-ups in the air. I really wanted to be a buff guy. So I was working in that direction, like dedicated. You know, I was doing one-armed push-ups. At first, I hated them. But after a while, it made me feel some type of way about specific particular moves or something, because I enjoyed sweating. I met some friend, met him through life, but they taught me about yoga in a steam room and then taking wheatgrass. But then he was like a meditation or something teacher. And I totally enjoyed our time together. Thank goodness, you know, it was a church, you know, I thought they've got to have some type of... I think this is another sign of pain. Like you forget because your mind is doing so much. That's usually what's happening here. And I think long term, that causes a lot of damage. So, you know, I think when everyone came to the realization that, damn, this boy really does got problems, and he's not complaining, or he's not like, yeah, I need my pills, you know, through this stupid-ass opiate war with responsible people still. Hello. Some of us need it to live. I got goals to complete. You know, it's like some of us need that above limit regardless. And it takes a big portion of just the daily allowed limit to even be in here. But, you know, if you're not on it for a few days beforehand, your day in here, like I wanted to be 12 hours. I think we failed miserably at restarting this stream. Maybe I gotta check it out. You know, like, this weed really makes me talk. I'm not a talker. And y'all know that. I used to be a talker. And I know what happened. You know, life happened. Pain happened. And, you know, I stopped talking. Life is all about money. Life is all about money. Life is all about money. friends gonna look at you like you a piece of shit. If you ain't got money, man, your friends ain't gonna look at you as a second repairman, yo. You're a second where you ain't up to us. I'm about to end this shit. I'm about to end this bitch. I'm about to end this day. I'm about to end this hoe. I'm about to end this. And go take off all my clothes. And go take a shower. Cause y'all bitches jealous. You want my fat dick in your mouth. While you looking at my eyelids. Yo, you can't lie to me. Stop lying, man. Just tell me what you want. You want to look at my eyes as you suck on my dick. Eye contact fully is what they reply. They only want to look at my eyes as they suck on my dick. Man, makes your pussy wet. Yeah, homie. Yeah, today was a complete failure. You did it. Yeah. Yeah. Number one stunner. Number one stunner. You know this is alright. Number one stunner. If it's okay for me to do, then it is, yeah. Yeah, number one stunner. Oh, bouncing. Yeah, bouncing. Bouncing. Yeah, bouncing. Yeah, bouncing, girl. Bounce your titties across my face. How I know if you love me or not. Come on, bitch, I love you all night. You can bounce those titties across my face. Bounce those titties across my face. I'll give you the cars. I'll give you the house. I'll give you the children. But all you gotta do is bounce those titties in front of my face. Yeah, bounce those titties. Just got money. I know better than just to blow through it. Because it's not very often that I get paid a whole bunch of money. And yes, we got paid a whole bunch of money for royalties. And I'm sure Nick proved that I'm very often. In fact, this is a brand new studio revamp that I did for it. You can see the piano here ready to rock and bass there that was installed by the guarantors today. Hell yeah, you guys got guarantors? Guarantors are like investments. Things that you got in the back of your head that you know that pays the bills, and all you got to do is fun doing what you're doing. How many of you got that right now? Put your hands up, because I do. I got my hand up. You see it? You know, before the shit gets weird, I need to give a shout out to Little Boob. Little Boob, you and I have never talked ever. Zero communication, just like the last. I be hearing you a lot on chat, and let me tell you, you got skills, girl. I ain't trying to flirt because I'm married. Look at that with Relatable. I ain't trying to get into you, but let me say something, girl. No homo. You got talking skills, man. When I come on here and I hear you respond to people, you're a master. Pal Talk helps you become a master. Just like all of those other sites deliver you fresh content on the daily. I mean, if you pay a monthly Pal Talk, you could hear some true OG rarely listen to you about 2 hours a week. 2 hours. Do I really just listen to chat? You know, chat is chat. I'm not trying to jump balls. I'm not trying to jump inside your cam. Some females paranoid and they got me on block because they're read, man. Can't read the description of the program of the we deliver. So when they see themselves look cam and they see a big ass television set that looks like I'm looking at them like a predator who needs jail time, they get all paranoid and shit. And that's when blocks happen, man, when they see you viewing their cam, even though they want you to view it. Ain't that some fucked up shit from women? That's just peeve things every now and then. So sometimes I'm afraid to look at your cam because will you feel some type of way and get paranoid and make poor choices in your future? Can't do research. You're just a first reactor of emotions with no guarantee, with no truth or fact to it. You just feel some type of way like you're pregnant. Oh yeah, man. Hope you guys surviving. $2020. It's a brutal one out there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Damn, homie. I gotta take more drugs that are maybe illegal in your state to keep going. So I'm like, yo, you talk to a legend. That's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, yo. So I do feel my pain meds wearing off. And yo, I've been thinking about taking the 4 chocolate. Damn, yo, that'd make me a ball hog. That'd be like $30 a weed I would have ate today. Alright, so we found my food bag. Alright, so welcome to the show if you ain't been here. Apologize for those recent sessions we did today. They ain't shit. Got problems written all over them, man. So I would avoid watching those. But I appreciate your view here. We're on break. And I want to show you something. Like we got 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you guys can. Let's take away the music. Let's take away these cool acts. You know, like today, the movements I did today shouldn't have caused. You know, I should be able to do at least, 5 laps with my girl before looking like a loser. And, you know, it's just the shit took a weird side turn. Now I can eat is fast food. All I can think about is McDonald's and Big Macs. Hey, yo, she hates to cook. Really, and it doesn't bother me because, again, like I was saying, I kind of wanted this life to where I could just eat bad. And then, you know, I wanted this type of music career, so it's kind of weird. You know, when I think about what I truly wanted, like, I thought it would always be cool to be on these type of drugs and be like, damn, you know, what will it take? You know, basically doing deals with the devil. Dear God, please let something happen so I can live that life. You know, I think I have said something like that when I was real pissed off, a youngster at life. Like, damn, yo, this is life. This shit sucks. I mean, you know, I sit back here now, many years later, because way back when I was like, damn, who am I going to be? You know, probably right about this time when I made that, like 8 years old. Damn, who am I going to be when, well, I'm not 48, but I'm 42. And, you know, I start to see it on my face. And it's probably caused from the weight. Because there is some cute, but it doesn't, like, ever go there. Because I'm not talking about any example or instant. I'm just like, yo, if I just let it go wild, which I can't because I got morals, I'm like, yeah, I want it, but it's like, nah, you can't because that's too bad. You know, you can't because it's too naughty. It's like, you can't because we live in America. You know, you can't because you need a job. You know, you can't because the bill needs to be paid. You know, it's like all these, like, damn, you know. I didn't have these when I was a kid. But, you know, then when you grow to an adult, you eventually stop acting crazy. And like, damn, yo, where the hell am I? You know, and you start realizing that life's about to end, and you're like, oh, F. You start having like this midlife crisis till you self-adjust. And, you know, I did mine through massive amounts of pain. And I think it killed, like, you know, it took a lot out of me. You see it, like, I know what it took out. Like, it took out, you know,
Coffee, making bases. Nah, stop. Why you being dramatic? Stop it, professional. Start a stroke wood. A stroke it bar. A stroke it, yeah, I'm not bar. When you eat silver and take it up your ear. Damn, baby, you're number one in my book. Now, ain't that something? Wait a minute, dude, like me, control. Make it rain, plenty of money. Benz and unlimited credit card. You know what? Under my nutsack, does ball stomping. Ties me to the basement dungeon. Gets her high heel boots, stilettos, and kick my nutsack. Screaming like a little bitch. She's laughing off her ass. She's videotaping it, cause it's so funny. Everyone's laughing, cause I got my balls struck. Ball stomping, bitch. Better careful before you get your balls stomped by the bitch in charge. Change your ways. Hoe with leather, got whips and chains. She's about to cause excruciating pain. Yeah, let's play a game. Truth or dare. Pop, pop, pow, pow, ball it. Pop, pop, pow, ball it. Yeah, they done this before. Home dungeon, first floor, near cellar, crazy. Got mass videotapes. Now, homeboy, you sprung on the pussy. You're strung on the snatch. Homie, you can't get the taste out of your mouth. Fish, you want a tongue bucket. You want to do a double barrel. Get your dick so hard and you blow up her butthole. Leak it out. You gotta stay true to your woman so you lick your own cum up in one stroke. Get her pregnant, making a deal. A homie from home. How you raise your basketball team. Cause you fly, too fly. That's a story. Drive with me crazy. I ain't telling that often. Who be a pro? In bed, in out. You don't know. You ain't had the long D down your throat. Or have you? You ain't experienced life. You wish. It's the limited credit card leaks from the lips gliding slow in her slot, pushing the right buttons. Holla now, like cost $6.99. Gonna borrow $50 from her mom after she gets her anal rained out, gaping from the night before. This becomes on the regular. Yeah, she's upstairs. But her cost $50. Come the horn, block a hole next door, so you start to knock back and forth. You got your dick strong, thrusting in her pussy hole. She's screaming your name, and that's all you can think about while you be at work, homie. Cause you strung on the pussy, homie. Strung on the pussy, homie. Like taste bitch, homie. Be strong on the asshole, homie. You strong. Yeah, we can take a mini break, hydrate. I'm gonna turn up this music for you. Actually, no, I'ma play latest freestyles we got till I'm ready to see anything stage. Yeah, mother sucker. Yeah, mother sucker. You're listening to Creative Wiz Studios production, online delivery. Yo, I'ma go to General CWSPOD store real quick. Pick me up a Mountain Dew. Yo, I'ma head to CWSPOD Mart. Pick me up